Welcome to Review the Best Buy, your trusted source for honest product reviews. Today, we're excited to introduce you to the versatile and practical cooktop burner, the perfect solution for indoor organization. There are many products available to choose from Cooktop Burner, each with various characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make a perfect decision, I did comprehensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best cooktop burner from dependable brands. After deep research, I found these products very helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Duxtop 1800 watts Portable Induction Cooktop Burner. Induction hot plate with LCD sensor touch. Looking for a high-performance portable cooktop? The Duxtop 1800 watts Portable Induction Cooktop Burner is your perfect kitchen companion. With a sleek silver glass design, this induction hot plate features a modern LCD sensor touch panel for precise control. Choose from 20 power levels, 100 to 1800 watt, and 20 temperature settings, 100 to 460 degree Fahrenheit, to cook your meals exactly how you like them. Its automatic shut-off, child safety lock, and energy-efficient operation are 83% efficient. Make it both safe and smart. Ideal for small kitchens, dorm rooms, RVs, or as an extra burner, this compact unit is easy to store and transport. The fast boil and warm features plus a 10-hour timer give you full cooking flexibility. Just remember to use cookware with a magnetic bottom and at least 5 inches in diameter. Whether you're a home chef or just need a reliable extra burner, the Duxtop Induction Cooktop delivers performance and convenience in one stylish package. Number 2. Nuwave 1800 watts Pro Chef Induction Cooktop NSF-Certified Commercial Grade Portable Powerful. Experience commercial grade cooking anywhere with the Nuwave 1800 watts Pro Chef Induction Cooktop, a powerful, NSF-certified and portable induction burner built for both home and professional kitchens. With 94 precise temperature settings ranging from 100 to 575 degree Fahrenheit, you can simmer delicate sauces or sear steaks to perfection. This sleek black cooktop features shatterproof ceramic glass, delivering unmatched durability and safety. Make real-time cooking adjustments with intuitive digital controls and enjoy faster, more efficient cooking thanks to its 85 to 90% energy conversion rate. Its compact design, manual control, and 3 wattage settings 900, 1500, 1800 watts make it perfect for RVs, dorms, apartments, or catering setups. Whether you're a pro chef or a passionate home cook, the Nuwave Pro Chef's superior insulation technology and even heating ensure no hot or cold spots, just consistent results every time. Built tough and tested to perform, it's the ideal induction cooktop for precision, safety, and serious power on the go. Number 3. Karinear 110-volt Electric Cooktop 2 burners 12-inch electric stove. Top with plug-in, Knob Control Countertop. The Karinear 110-volt electric cooktop is the perfect blend of convenience, safety, and style for small kitchens, RVs, dorms, or apartments. This 12-inch 2-burner electric stove top plugs directly into a standard 110 to 120-volt outlet. No need for complicated installation. With simple knob controls and 9 adjustable heat levels, it's incredibly user-friendly, especially for seniors or anyone who prefers straightforward operation. Use it as a countertop appliance or install it as a sleek built-in cooktop to save space. Made from durable ceramic glass, it's compatible with all cookware types, glass, iron, stainless steel, and more. Plus, it's safer than gas or induction thanks to no open flames or electromagnetic radiation, and includes overheat protection and residual heat indicators. Whether you're making a quick breakfast or cooking a holiday feast, the 2,000-watt radiant burners deliver the power and flexibility you need. Compact, portable, and easy to clean, Karinear brings effortless cooking to any space. Number 4. AMZCHEF Induction Cooktop 2 burners. 12-inch built-in and countertop induction stove with plug. Upgrade your cooking game with the AMZCHEF 12-inch induction cooktop, a sleek and powerful 2-burner stove designed for both built-in and countertop use. Perfect for homes, RVs, or small kitchens, this plug-in induction cooktop operates on standard 110 to 120 volt and delivers up to 1800 watt of efficient power. With 9 adjustable power levels, you can simmer, boil, fry, or steam with precision, making every meal easier and more flavorful. The premium black tempered glass surface adds a modern touch while being easy to clean. Cook with confidence using the built-in child lock, 99-minute timer, and sensitive touch controls. Compatible with magnetic cookware from 4.7 to 10.2 inches, this induction burner offers both versatility and safety. Whether you're preparing a family dinner or whipping up a quick meal on the road, the AMZCHEF cooktop brings smart design, powerful performance, and convenience together in one compact appliance. Cook smarter, cleaner, and faster, anytime, anywhere. Number 5. Nefaracy 36-inch electric cooktop with 5-burner with slide control, 220-volt built-in ceramic cooktop. Upgrade your kitchen with the Nefaracy 36-inch electric cooktop, a powerful and spacious 5-burner ceramic stove built for serious home cooking. Designed for 220-volt hardwired installation, this sleek black cooktop features a total output of 9,200 watt, with 9 power levels and intuitive slide control for effortless heat adjustment. The highlight? A triple-ring expandable center burner that extends up to 300 pm, perfect for large pots, pans, or grill plates. Whether you're cooking for a big family or hosting a dinner party, this cooktop offers the space and power you need to multitask with ease. Made with premium glass ceramic, it includes smart safety features like overheat protection, child lock, residual heat indicators, and automatic shutdown. The built-in 99-minute timer lets you cook hands-free, while the wide cookware compatibility, including stainless steel, cast iron, ceramic, and more, gives you total freedom. Modern, efficient, and feature-packed, the Nefaracy cooktop turns everyday meals into gourmet creations. That's all from my end. I prepare beneficial videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you require more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Invest in quality and transform your dream with the best product. Stay updated with our best products, as it will make your life so much easier than earlier.